Hello! So I find myself helping out one of our customers here with this garage butcher block. It's really rough. It's been used for several decades, heavily, and we're doing a little sanding job. I wanted to share it with you. It's pretty interesting. This particular block is 1 3/4 inches thick, and it's been used so much and so heavily that it's got deep gouges and rough scratches in there. So we're going to use this belt sander and give it a little once over. Wow, you can see that sander removes a lot of material quickly. Well, if you wonder just how much, I can show you. Probably 1/100 of an inch right there. It's looking good. A little more of this and we'll finish with a smaller sander. Okay, now we're switching to a small vibrating sander with a medium sandpaper. Little finishing work here. All right, it's looking good. Some of that natural beauty in the maples coming back. I like it. And there's a lot more you can do here, of course. One of the next steps, of course, is a little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Mystery oil. You can score this at the sponsor. You just put a little bit on like this. This will restore the butcher block to its original beauty. Wow. Looks really nice. And the wood sucking it up. This block has not been oiled in a long time. So you can see it's pretty cool looking. I kind of like the character, all the scratches. However, save yourself all that work and time. Contact the sponsor. This is maple with a food safe Varnique finish. This is maple with the mineral oil finish. So this one should be oiled monthly. Put a little oil on there right now. This one is maintenance free. You can see the difference between this oil finish and this oil finish. The main difference is several decades of use versus brand new. Okay? This has been cut on, chopped on, sliced and diced. Butchers have used tons of different knives on this block over many decades, and it's still looking good. Of course, the brand new is nice too. So, yeah. Visit your sponsor, hit them up, and they give you quotes, free shipping, and discounts as well. Yeah. I'll be back with more great videos to share with you. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. That is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Hello, Chef here with yet again another Butcher Block video. Butcher Block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old. And it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the Butcher Block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in Butcher Block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4, and the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping.